Get that light back on, so. Get off from work today and stopped and grabbed me a cup of hot cappuccino. Sometimes when I ride, I just think about extra sounds and beats and how can I turn this instrumental music into a dollar bill, yo. What? To make a long story short, make my way onto the crib. Just got off, head to the crib, drinking a little cappuccino. Make my way onto the crib. Now it's time to go get into this music, baby.
Okay, I made it to the crib.
The Komplete Kontrol keyboard automatically maps its knobs and displays to instruments and effects loaded in Maschine, giving you immediate hands-on control without a manual setup. The smart play features like scales, chords, and aggregation enhance creative flow, especially when composing with Machine's powerful sequencing and sampling tools. Transport controls on the keyboard can control Machine's playback and recording functions, improving workflow efficiency. The color-coded light guide on the keyboard matches Machine's pad layout, providing visual feedback for key zones, drums, hits, and sample triggers.
I like to lock them in because I can actually build sounds out of some of these virtual instruments, like reactor, massive, output. It's a whole lot of them, man. I want y'all to check this out.